Hello everyone. Our next topic is cyber attacks and their types. So, what is cyber attacks? Imagine working Imagine waking up on a morning to find all your data stolen, your bank account empty, and your phone filled with a storage message. This is the power of cyber attack. A cyber attack is an attempt to damage, steal, or dispute digital system. Target included individual individual in like banking apps, social media. And next is business and their data theft and last government to cyber warfare. Purpose to steal data, cause damage, gain money or dispute system. So all right, it's to begin to understand what exactly a cyber attack is. A cyber attack is deliberate attempt by an individual or group to breach the information system of another person or organization. The main goal could be the steal data, dispute service, or cause damage to a network or systems. Cyber attacks are no longer limited to large corporations. Anyone using the internet can be targeted from regular users like you and me in the big companies and even government. Let us give a few examples. A data breach is when sensitive persons or finance information is accessible without permission. Ransom attacks lock users, other of them are systems and demand payment to restore access. And DDoS attacks flood websites with traffic to shut them down. In simple words, if someone tries to use computers or the internet to harm your data or system, that is cyber attack. And it is also and to it also attempt to damage, steal or dispute computer system. Their targeted are individuals, organizations, and government. Example: data breach, ransoms, and DDoS attacks. In additional, we add some point like cyber attacks can be automated or done manually. They can come from inside or outside the target organization. Some attacks are done just for fun or as a challenge, while others have serious motive like politics or revenge. So we move to next topic. Why do cyber attack happen? So now that we understand what cyber attacks, let's explore why these attacks actually happen. Cyber attacks are not random attackers usually have clear goals or motivational behind their action. Here are the most common reasons. First is financial gain. This is the most common reason cyber criminals launch ransom attacks or steal credit card info to make money. They might steal stolen data on their dark web or demand ransom payment. Second is espionage. This means spying, especially in the world of politics and business. Hackers might try to access classified government data or storage secret to give an advantage to a rival country or company. Third is disruption means shutting down services. Some attacker must want to interrupt service or cause costs. They might shut down website, crash apps, or mess with servers. This is common in war or protest. And fourth is hacketism. Hacketism means this is a mix of hacking and activism. These hackers do it for political or social reasons. For example, a group might take down a government website to protest against corruption. And last is fun or challenges. Believe it or not, some people hack just for a thrill or to show for their skills. These are often young and expensive hackers, some things called scripted kindness. So, as you can see, not all attackers done for money. The motivation could be anything from personal fame and a political goal. We add some additional point like some attackers are the state-sponsored meetings. They are funded by a country. Insider threats, employers or ex-employers may also attack due to revenge or dissatisfaction. Now we move to the next topics. What is types of cyber attacks? There are the many type of cyber attacks like uh, malware, phishing, ransom, DOS, many in middle, SQL, and zero-day exploits, insider threats. There are many ways attackers can target systems, and in the side we will give you an overview of the most common ones. In the upcomings, we will go deeper into each of the one example so it quickly understand each type. First is malware. Malware stands for malicious software. This included various worms, trunks, and spray that can damage system or steal your data. Second is phishing. They are the fake email or message designed to trick people into giving away personal information like password or OTPs. Third is ransom. This is the type of malware that looks for or encrypted your files and asks for ransom to unlock them. And the fourth is DOS. These attacks flood systems with so much traffic that could become enable unusual. And fifth is man in middle, also known as a MitM. In this attack, the hacker silently encrypted communication between two patters, often over Wi-Fi. And fifth is SQL injection. Hackers insert malicious code into database using website input field. This helps them steal data like username or password. And next is Zero-day explorer. These target unknown software vulnerability before developing have time to fix them. And last is insider threats. These are attacks that comes from inside our organization, like a description employee or someone who unknown clicking in physical phishing link. And these are the most common category, and understanding each of them is key to learning cybersecurity. For the next, we'll explain each attack in more detail in real world example. And first one is malware. This is also known as malicious software types, viruses, worms, trojans, spy hardware. Malware can steal data, destroy file, or control your system. In real world, in I love you coded viruses 2000 spread via emails and infected 10 million computers. So next is phishing attack. Phishing attack means they are the fake message, email, SMS, or website pretending to be the real. Is Their goals are clear: trick users into revealing password, OTP, or bank detail. Their sign is spelling mistake, unusual links, urgent message, suspicious links, and your account was blocked like that. And their example is in the keys Twitter admin phishing breach. And next is ransom attacks. Ransom locks or encrypted your data, then asks for money to unlock it. Famous attacker WannaCry 2017 affected 2 million computers across 150 countries. And second is AIMS. Second is AIMS. AIMS Delhi in 2022. Patient data was locked, hospital system shut down. Tips: never pay, the ransom backup are the key. And the next is DDoS attack. Attackers flood a website or server with fake traffic, making it crash. Example: targeting game servers, bank portals, or e-commerce site during sales. Real example: GitHub DDoS attacks on 1.3 TPS in 2018. And next is man in middle. Imagine someone listening in on your conversation with your bank. You use public Wi-Fi. You do not use HTTP website. Hackers interrupt your data, read and modify, and it transits. And next is SQL injection. SQL means language used in database. In the attack, hackers enter malicious code in login form to access database. A real example is used to hack Sony Pixel and LinkedIn year ago. Millions of user data leaked and target is website with login form. And next is zero-day exploit, unknown vulnerability in software used before company can fix it. Example in Satnik Wab attacks Iran nuclear system. And next is insider trade. Internal users like employers, contractors can be internationally or accidental. Risk sharing data, clicking, phishing emails, prevention, training, access control, monitoring. How to stay how to stay safe from attackers. Uh, how to how to they have a strong password and 2FA software update, antivirus plus firewall, backup important data. Do not click unknown link. Avoid public Wi-Fi or use VPN. Now that I log many different type of cyber attack, next big question is how they protect themselves. Let's talk about the simple but effective tips to help you to stay safe online. These apply to everyone, student, professions, and even businessmen. Use a strong password and 2FA. Avoid using names, birth date, or 1 2 3 4 5 6 normal password. Use a combination of uppercase, lowercase numbers, and special characters. Use different password for different account. Even better, use a password manager. Always enable two-factor authentications, that is also known as 2FA. It add an extra layer of security. And second is keep software updated. Cyber attacks often use old vulnerability in outdated software. Always update your Windows, mobile phone, browser, and antivirus program. Turn on automatic update whenever possible. Third is install antiviruses and firewall. A good antivirus helps detect and block malware before it harms your system. Firewall block unauthorized access on your networks. Window Defender is a good basic option, but you can use other paid antivirus tool too. And next is backup important data. If you ever get hit by ransom attack on your system crash, having a backup is lifesaver. Keep multiple backups, one in the cloud like Google Drive on and one on an external hard disk. And next is don't click on unknown links. Most phishing attacks start on just one wrong click. Don't click on suspicious email add-on or pop-ups. Always check the URL. If it looks weird or misspelled, don't trust it. And next is avoid public Wi-Fi or use VPN. Public Wi-Fi networks in cafe, malls, and airport are not secure. Hackers can perform man-in-middle attacks can steal your data. If you are use public Wi-Fi, use VPN to encrypt your connection. And not least, last is final advice. You don't have to cybersecurity expert to stay safe. Just follow this simple habit can protect you from 90% of common cyber attacks. Cybersecurity starts with awareness, and that's why you are here for learning. And next is final thought. Cyber attacks come in for many forms. Awareness in your first lines of defense. Stay alert, stay updated, and stay secure. Thank, thank you. And we will cover next topic about cyber security tools and technology. So, thank you for today.